The luggage arrive with the next flight. Do or does? Does, not do. Luggage is singular. Equals it. It equals does. That's the mistake most learners make. Quick screenshot. This is the only rule you need. Don't look at the last word. Look at the subject. Ready? Starting now. Round 1. At the hotel. The receptionist speak English. Does. Let's say it together. The receptionist does speak English. Number 2. They have a reservation. Do. Let's say it together. They do have a reservation. Number 3. She know the check-in time. Does. Say it with me. She does know the check-in time. Number 4. We need a key card. Do. Say it with me. We do need a key card. Number 5. The hotel include breakfast. Does. Say it with me. The hotel does include breakfast. Good start. Don't relax. Round 2. At the airport. Same rule, but the subjects get trickier. Don't pattern match. Find the subject. Number 6. He have his boarding pass. He does. Say it with me. He does have his boarding pass. Number 7. The security queue move slowly. Does. Let's say it together. The security queue does move slowly. Q equals one thing. Equals it equals does. Don't let the long phrase trick you. Number 8. Most people get this one wrong. The coach tour stop at 5 cities. Does. Let's say it together. The coach tour does stop at 5 cities. The coach tour equals one thing. Equals it equals does. Number 9. They allow containers up to 100 milliliters. Do. Let's say it together. They do allow containers up to 100 milliliters. They equals do. Always. Number 10. She want a window seat. Does. Let's say it together. She does want a window seat. Still easy? Let's see. Round 3. Traps on the tour. Last positive round. These are the ones that catch everyone. Think carefully. Number 11. The guide speak 3 languages. Does. Say it with me. The guide does speak 3 languages. Number 12. The people at reception speak English. Do. Say it with me. The people at reception do speak English. People equals they. They equals do. Always plural. Number 13. The luggage arrive with the next flight. Does. Say it with me. The luggage does arrive with the next flight. Luggage is singular. It equals does. Always. Number 14. £10. Buy a coffee at this airport. Does. Say it with me. £10 does buy a coffee. An amount of money, one sum, equals it, equals does. Even though it sounds plural, it isn't. Number 15. He recommend the evening tour. Does. Let's say it together. He does recommend the evening tour. Now it changes. Stay with me. Mini round. Don't or doesn't. New round. New choice. Just two options. Don't or doesn't. The main verb stays. You only choose don't or doesn't. Same subject rule. He, she, it gets doesn't. Everyone else gets don't. Don't overthink. Number 16. The train leave until midnight. Doesn't. Let's say it together. The train doesn't leave until midnight. Number 17. We have travel insurance. Don't. Let's say it together. We don't have travel insurance. Number 18. He know the exchange rate. Doesn't. Say it with me. He doesn't know the exchange rate. Number 19. The luggage arrive before tomorrow afternoon. Doesn't. Say it with me. The luggage doesn't arrive before tomorrow afternoon. Luggage equals it equals doesn't. Positive or negative, same rule. 19 done. One more. Bonus boss level. This one catches everyone. Don't rush this. Everybody on the tour need a ticket. Do or does. Does. It sounds strange, but it's correct. Everybody equals he, she, it equals does. Everybody, somebody, nobody, always does. Say it with me. Everybody on the tour does need a ticket. Double trap warning. Listen carefully. Mistake number 1. The tourists does speak English. Wrong. The tourists do speak English. More than one tourist equals they. They equals do. Say it with me. The tourists do speak English. Mistake number 2. She don't have a ticket. Wrong. She doesn't have a ticket. She equals doesn't, never don't. Say it with me. She doesn't have a ticket. One table, the whole system. So, how many did you get right? 18 to 20? Excellent. 14 to 17? Good. Under 14? Watch it again. Subscribe for Travel English every week. See you in the next one.